Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to look at changing improper fractions to mixed numbers and back. So let's take a look at an example here. Let's say we had the improper fraction 9/4, and we wanted to change that to a mixed number. So the first thing, we're going to take the numerator, the top part of the fraction here, it's numerator, and we're going to divide it by the bottom part of the fraction, the denominator. So let's start by doing that. Okay, so we're going to take 9 and we're going to divide it by 4. So 4 goes into 9 twice. Okay, so it goes in twice and we have 2 times 4 is 8. So we're going to subtract 8 from 9 and we're left over with a remainder here of 1. So the remainder of 1, right? So sometimes you might see it written like this. Okay, well, we can easily convert this into an improper or into a mixed number. So this is going to be the whole number part of the mixed number. So the 2 is the whole number part here. The 1 is going to be the numerator of the fraction part, and the 4 is going to be the denominator of the fraction part. So we can write 9/4 as 2 and 1/4. And it's just as easy as that. Now, throughout this video, we're going to take a look at changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, and then we'll go in reverse. So let's take a look at a few more examples of changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, in our second example, we've got the improper fraction 11/3 here, and we want to change this into a mixed number. So we're going to take 11 here, and we're going to divide it by 3. So 3 goes into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2, so we have a remainder of 2. So this part is going to be the whole number part. So we're going to have 3. And then the remainder here is going to be the numerator of the fraction part. So about 2. 3 and 2. And then this 3 is going to be the denominator of the fraction part. So our solution becomes 3 and 2/3 there. Is our mixed number for that example. Let's look at one more where we're changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, and then we'll look at going the other way. All right, in our third example, we're changing the improper fraction 17/2 to a mixed number. So we're going to take the top part, 17, okay, and we're going to divide it by 2. So 2 goes into 17 8 times. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. And we have 17 minus 16 is 1, so we have a remainder of 1. Now the 8 is going to be my whole number part, so we're going to have 8. The 1 is going to be the numerator of the improper fraction, so 8 and 1. And then the 2 is going to be the denominator part of the fraction, so our solution, 17/2, is equal to 8 and 1/2. Okay, now let's take a look at changing mixed numbers back to improper fractions. Okay, in our fourth example, we're going to take the mixed number 2 and 5/6 and change that to an improper fraction. So we're going to take the denominator of the mixed number, so 6, and multiply it by the whole number part of the mixed number. So we're going to do 6 times 2. Then we're going to add the numerator of the improper fraction. So we'll do 6 times 2 plus 5. Now, if we do 6 times 2 plus 5, we're going to do the multiplication first. So we have 12 plus 5. And 12 plus 5 is going to equal 17. And 17, that number is going to be the numerator of our improper fraction. The denominator of the improper fraction is going to be the same as the denominator in the mixed number. So our improper fraction is going to be 17/6. Okay, that's going to be our solution. And we could check this too. Let's say we wanted to do a check because we've been going the other way. So let's check this. So to check, we do 17 divided by 6. So that's going to go into 17 twice. 2 times 6 is 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. So we have a remainder of 5. Remember, the 2 is going to be the whole number part, so please check. The 5 is going to be the numerator of the fraction in the mixed number, so those check. And then the 6 will be the denominator, which also checks out. Okay, let's look at a couple more examples and keep going over how to do this. Okay, in our fifth example, we have the mixed number 5 1/4, and we want to change that to an improper fraction. So I'm going to take the 4 here in the denominator, and I'm going to multiply it by the whole number part, 5. So I'm going to do 4 times 5. And after that, I'm going to add the numerator. So I'm going to add the 1 here, so plus 1. Okay, so when we do that, we do the multiplication first. So we do 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1. 20 plus 1 will give me 21. That'll be my numerator. And the denominator is going to stay the same as the denominator in the fraction part of the mixed number. So our solution there is going to be 21 over 4. And that's it for this example. In our final example, we're going to take the mixed number 7 7/8, and we're going to change that to an improper fraction. So we're going to start by multiplying 8 here by 7. So we're going to multiply 8 by 7. So we do 8 times 7. Then we want to add numerator here, which is also 7. So we're going to add 7. Okay. So when we work this out, we do 8 times 7, which is 56. Do the multiplication first. We're going to add 7 there. So 56 plus 7 is 63. And that's going to be our numerator. And we're going to keep the denominator as 8. We're going to keep the denominator the same. So we're going to have the numerator of 63 over the denominator of 8. So our improper fraction is 63/8. And that is our solution. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.